channel AI Drawing with you. So today we are going to learn how to apply textures to your mesh object in Blender with the help of UVW mapping. So I think this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you, as there are many other tutorials, tutorials over the internet, but I think you are looking for something which is simple and easy to understand. So you are the right place. Congratulations. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So let's start. At first I'm just going to create a simple cube. Okay, so for this simply type Shift A, and in the drop down menu we have the option that is mesh, and create a simple cube. Okay, like this. You can scale it down a little bit, right. Now in the properties panel we have the option that is material properties. Okay, as you see on the screen, also click on material properties. Now click on the plus icon and make a new material slot. Now click new, and you can even change the name of the material. Okay, I'm just leaving it. Now scroll down a little bit. We have different options like base color, substance, and etc. Okay, so in the base color we have this yellow dot. Click on this one and apply the image texture. Okay, you can even change the color of the model, or you can, if you want to apply some image texture, so you can follow this method. So in the texture tab we have the option that is image texture. Okay, now scroll down a little bit, and here you will see an option that is a new image. Okay, so simply click on open. Now go to your PC and select the material which you want to use. I'm just going to use this wooden material. Okay, now let's go to the render viewport. Click on this one. Okay, like this. So as you see, we have the material perfectly applied on our model. Okay, so now let's go to the UV editing and adjust the texture according to our requirements. So simply select the cube. Now go to in the top we have the option UV editing. Simply go to UV editing. Okay, UVW mapping. Now wait a minute, scroll down a little bit. I'm just going to change the viewport so that we have a real-time view. Okay, now it's good. Zoom it like this. Now in the UVW mapping, simply select all these faces, or you can select independently. Okay, so scale. As you see, as I'm scaling the UVW mapping, you can see the real-time changes in our model. Okay, like this. If I just want to select this one, these two vertices only, move it like this. Okay, again these two vertices like this, and if I want to adjust these vertices, I'll also change like this. So this is basically UVW mapping. When you have some complex textures, you can use UVW mapping to adjust it according to the requirements. Okay, so let's get back to the layout. Okay, now add another mesh object. Like I'm just going to add Shift A and go to mesh, simply UV sphere. Okay, yeah, add a UV sphere, and same apply textures on your model like this. Right click and shade smooth. Okay, now again go to the material properties, click on plus icon, new material slot, again this yellow dot in the base color, and apply material or texture. Okay, image texture. Now again open your the required texture you want to use to downloads. Like this, I'm just going to add this one image. Okay, like this. Let's add another mesh object like simple plane. Okay, so Shift A and again go to the mesh, add a plane. Now move it aside little bit like this. Okay, again go to the material properties, and in the material properties we have this plus icon, new slot. Again click on new, go to the base color and add a image texture. Okay, now open the texture you want to use. I have just downloaded the texture, this one. Okay, this one, open image. Okay, like this. So okay, now if I wants to add different texture to the same model, then how it will be happen. Okay, so in case of this cube, if I wants to apply a different texture in the top face, so what I have to do is to simply go to the at first I'm just going to the edit mode. Okay, in edit mode we have to select face. Okay, we have three options: vertex, edges and face. So select the face, this one. Now go to the material properties, and again new slot, new material. In the base color we have the image texture, and select the texture you want to use. To downloads, and where is the material? I think my system is a little bit like this. I'm just wants to use this one. Okay, image, click, now assign. So as you see, we have different textures to the same model. So you can also, you can even change with the help of UVW mapping, like top, bottom, left or right. Okay, so you can adjust according to the requirements of your project. So again go to simple, if I want to, sorry, this this mesh, go to the object mode, select this plane, and if I want UVW mapping, go to the UVW editor. Okay, now you can even change the texture according to the requirement. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video is going to be informative and helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep supporting. More tutorials are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.